Hi, this is Kim. Welcome back to another step-by-step lesson. Today I'm going to be talking about LibreOffice. It is an open source, free alternative to Microsoft Office. Yes, it's free. It has a word processor, an alternative to Excel, PowerPoint, and I think Publisher. I've never used it. So I just want to show you the basics of trying to figure out the differences between LibreOffice Writer, which is the Word alternative, and how to get the very basic things done. Like I said, I've never used it, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. I've decided to just go with it, and let's just see what happens. So here we go. I've already installed it. If you want to install it, it's free. Just Google LibreOffice, Libre Office. I got the newest version because I'm hoping that has the most features and the most stuff to it. There's pros and cons to open source products. They're free and they are updated and edited and changed constantly. That's a pro and a con. Because it's not managed by a commercial company, just thousands of people contribute to it and make changes and are responsible for fixing the bugs and that sort of thing. So it's a pro and a con. But it's free and it is a solid alternative to Microsoft Office. I know a lot of people who use it and they're happy with it. So anyways, I wanted to try it and see if I can figure out how to do the very basic things with it. So here we go. I'm on my desktop. Let's see what it looks like when it opens up. I haven't even opened it, really. I just installed it. Okay, so welcome to LibreOffice. Draw a document here or pick an app from the left side to create one. Oh, I see. So I can get to all the different components of OpenOffice from this one file. That's great. Word, you have to open up Word or Excel or whatever. This you can get it all from right here. There's a difference right there. That's cool though. I like it. We're just going to go, I guess we can open a file. Here's remote files. Here's our recent files. And here's some templates. Writer templates, calc templates, impress templates, and draw templates. Well, let's go ahead and look at them. Let's see what the writer templates look like. Okay, so we've got a business letter. Looks like a flow chart. Here's a media wiki, business card, resume. Just a default letter it looks like. Here's a modern default letter, maybe a memo, and simple. Okay, I think I'm just going to go with a blank. Let's see if this comes out blank. Let's write our document. Okay, so here is a blank document. Show tips on startup, sure. Print the notes of your slides, go to File, Print. Okay. All right, well here we go. It looks a little different. They do have a ribbon up here on top, which is like Word. It doesn't change when you click on the choices. So this is basically your ribbon all the time. And if you want to use something else, you're going to be using the drop-down menus here. Okay, well we're going to have to find some things, but I'm optimistic. It looks close enough. I should be able to figure this out. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm running version 7.0 LibreOffice for the first time. Do you want to learn what's new? No, thank you. You could do that if you want to. I wonder what these are. Little shortcut styles, gallery. Okay. So what I want to do is, when I usually start a document, I set up my document. So I try to create my margins. So let's do that as our first thing we're going to do here. I wonder where that is. Not starting off very good, am I here? Find it at view, toolbars, rulers, scroll bars, insert. Oh my goodness. Format. Is there a page format? Here's page style. This is terrible. Let's move on. We'll come back. Okay, so now I want to change my font. That's easy. That's right here. So I can pick any font I want. Let's just pick Arial. That's easy. I can choose size. Okay, whatever size I want. That's easy enough. Here's bold. All that. So that's pretty straightforward. I like that this is right here on the bar, the strike through. In Word, you have to go in a little deeper to get that. Superscript, subscript. Okay, here's your color, highlight color. All right, well that part's pretty straightforward there. Here's your alignment, left, center, right, full, justified. All right, let's move on along here. Okay, so let's just pretend we're gonna type something. Type a couple lines here. A couple lines of text. Okay. That's weird, it puts a period on the next line. Anyways, okay. Let's just put one more line of text. Okay. So that was pretty straightforward. Other than the period being forced to the next line, that's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and make a bulleted list. Here we go. Here's bulleted list. Item number 1, item number 2. That's pretty straightforward. Let's do a numbered list. Just click here. Thing number 1, thing number 2. Okay, that's easy. Can we change our bullets? Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's cool. All right, awesome. And if you want to indent even further, go here. Okay, that's cool. It's easy. It's all right here on the page. What is this? Line spacing, paragraph spacing. Well, that's nice to have it all right there. Word, it's not on the main menu. Okay, so let's see. We were able to do that. Let's insert a picture. So insert. See, we don't get the ribbon doesn't change when we click on each of these. Oh, here we go. Here's picture right here. So I guess we could have gone this way, insert image, or we could just click here. Okay, so we're going to insert our image, picture. Here we go. Oh, this is appropriate. Tomorrow's day to vote. By the time you see this video, though, we will already probably have a new president, or maybe the same president again, but the results will be in. So we can resize it just like in Word. That's easy. Okay, do we have any picture formatting? Let's see. So we've got it highlighted. Let's pick on format, image. So what do we have? We can crop, replace, compress, save, filter. So we have some filtering, colors. Okay, let's check out the filters. Aging, charcoal sketch, invert, mosaic, pop art. Not too many, but there's a few. Let's see what pop art looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. Can we right mouse click? Okay, we have some things here. Right mouse click, we can crop, replace, compress, save, anchor. That's interesting. Okay, here's our wrap. Let's go and wrap it to the... So it should move the text over to the left. Okay, that was good. All right, so let's see. I wanted to see what else we had here. We have a line, arrange, forward to the back. That's good. That's all in here. Rotate, flip. We can insert a caption. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, well that was easy enough. Figure one in the White House. All right, can we put a border around it? Let's see, format, image, format, I guess not. Well, frame and object. Text box. I don't know how to do that. Let's see. What's this? Does this make a border around it? Okay, there we go. I guess it's right here. All right, not too many options, but you could do it. All right, so that's fine. Not thrilled, but it's okay. We figured out how to do it. I'm sure there's more settings somewhere else that we can find. Let's go ahead and insert a shape, which I think is right here. Oh, these are draw functions. Oh, then down here. Okay, so we've got select, we've got insert a line, curves, polygons. We can pick shapes, existing shapes, a star. Now let's put a star. So I guess we click this. Okay, we can pick which one we want. Not sure. Oh, there's 12 point star, 24 point star. Oh, explosion, that's fun. Did it work? No. I don't know how to make it show on the page. Let's see, double click. Okay, I have no idea. Maybe they're behind this picture here. No. Okay, well, I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. I don't see how that worked. How about an arrow? Oh, there we go. I can just draw it, I guess. Oh, all right. I see. Click your symbol and then you draw it. Okay. Okay, well, that's fine. That works. And here, once you highlight it here, we've got some other options. So we can change the color, rotate, change the points. We can insert another caption, line color. Let's make it black. Here we go. Oh, there we go. So here's some more options. Solid line, dotted line. That doesn't look very good. Let's just keep solid line. Okay. Send it back, back one. So here's alignment. All right, that's not so bad. Let's see if we can change this one now. Now that we border color, let's make the border color green. I didn't get the width one over here though, with like we did for this. I couldn't change the line width, but okay. Anyways, we get the idea. All right, so let's move on. Let's see if the keyboard shortcuts work, the same ones that work in Word. I have no idea if these are going to work, so let's just give it a shot. So Control P is for print. Okay, that's awesome. Print screen came up. Let's see, Control A selects all. Okay, that one worked. Let's highlight some text and do Control B, which should bold it. Okay, awesome. Control S will bring up the save page. All right. Control, let's see, let's highlight something. Control C, let's put it here. Copy and Control V, pasted it. Perfect. Let's see, what else we got here? Let's do Control Z, that's undo. Okay, Control Y is redo. All right, perfect. So that all worked pretty good. Now let's see if we can see how to see. Well, let's see. We don't have more than one page. Let's go down and print some stuff on another page. Let's insert page break. Oh, perfect. So let's just insert. Let's Let's just copy this. Control C. Okay, there we go. A couple smiley faces. Now, if I wanted to see these side by side, I wonder how we do that. View. Gallery, navigator, field names. I don't think so. There's normal and web, but I want to like have so you could see the pages next to each other. You can also see down here sometimes. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Look. Oh, that's weird. Okay, there you go. So now we can see both pages at once. That's good. All right. I wonder if there's a way to select draft. I wouldn't even know where to look for that. I'm going to put that on my list of things to find. I don't know if that is something that's in here or not. Okay, so now let's do find and replace. Where would that be? Under tools, maybe? I don't know where that would be. There's a form. Oh, a lot of form stuff. That's kind of cool. There's your tables. Let's see. I want to see. Well, it's Control F in Word. Let's see if that works. Oh, yes, down here. Okay. So let's find the word text. Okay, so there it found text. Okay, it goes back and forth. I don't see where you can replace it with anything, but you can find it. So replace would be like if I wanted to say, instead of the word text, let's say I wanted to put book or something. So what it would do is it would find each incident of text and ask me if I want to replace it with book. So I could just go through real quick. It's very handy if you spell something wrong throughout a document, like someone's name, or you put the wrong company name or something. Then you can find it throughout the whole document, especially if you have a really long document. It's very helpful. They might have it here. I don't see where it is. It's not obvious. Okay. So let's go over here to this page. Whatever, that's fine. I'm going to insert, well, maybe not there. I want to insert columns. Let's see, format. Here's format columns. Let's try that. Okay, let's see, columns. Here's our choices. Page style. So this basically will do it for the whole document. In Word, there's a choice where you could say from this point forward, have the columns. So that way you could have a page without columns and then a page with columns. You could even start at the end of a page and add some columns. This looks like it's going to only apply it to the whole thing. Whatever, that's fine. So now we have columns. Oh, here we go. So you can see we have columns. Do we have columns on this page too? Yeah, it put it through the whole document. Okay, well, all right. So that's not ideal, but not the end of the world. Now let's insert a table. So here I saw table. We have insert a table. What's here? Okay, so insert a table. We can name it if we want to. Columns, let's say 3 columns, 2 rows, sure. Let's have a heading, why not? Oh, we have some choices, let's see. Oh, it shows us what it's going to look like. That's nice. That one looks good. We'll just pick that. Insert. Okay, oh, so it automatically set our headings. That's nice. So we could just type it in. Perfect. Whatever. Nice. All right, well, there you go. Can you just add by tabbing? Will it create another one? Oh, perfect. So that's nice. What if we want to insert? Let's see, insert, column after. Okay, awesome. There you go. That's easy enough. So that worked well. Let's add a chart. Here's a chart right here I saw. Let's see what the choices are. Chart type, data range, data series, chart elements. Okay. That's all the typical, nothing terribly exciting, but it does have charts. I don't have any data, so let me get rid of that. Oops, guess you can't do that. What's it doing? I don't know what it's doing. Okay, well, it won't let me delete it for some reason. All right, well, I guess we have that chart now forever. Can move it. That's interesting, and there's nothing in it. Let's make it really small. Now let me delete it. Okay, now it's gone. I don't know. Okay, that was chart. You can play with it later, whatever. Okay, so now let's see if we can do an equation here in this. Let's say we have a candy bar for 99 cents by 12 of them. Okay, so let's see if we can get an equation. Let's see, where would that be? I have no idea. Oh, look. Here's our table stuff down here. Okay, cool. Here's our formula. So we're going to do this. Oh, perfect. It came up here like Excel. Okay, so we're going to do that times this equals. All right, awesome. So that worked. So we had our formula. This times that equals that. All right, well, that's good. That's easy. Here's some special characters. Let's put a special character in our table. So we just click here. Let's see, we have more characters. Okay, pretty much most of the common ones. Let's do a registered symbol. There we go. This one, let's put another one. More, I can scroll down. There's a lot. Okay, that's awesome. All right, 2%, whatever. Okay, so that's easy. Charts. So we have our table with our equation in it and some special characters. Let's see if we can figure out how to do headers and footers. Might be under insert. Here's footnote and headers. Oh, header and footer. Here we go. Here's our footer. Okay, awesome. Put it on both pages. That's nice. That's easy. Just click and type. What else did I want to do? Oh, I wanted to see what was under this. If there was a way to do any designs, like themes or anything like that. So this is just text styles, tables, forms. Here's design mode. Oh, that's a form. We're not doing that. Tools. What do we have in here? We can protect our document. That's good. Password protect it. So you have to have the password to open it. That's good. Here's mail merge. That's going to be a video on itself. I'm going to try that. But okay, I don't think we have any way. No designs. No themes and that sort of thing. I don't see anything that would. Okay, image, chart, media, object, shape. No. There's page style. Let's see what that is. Okay, it's not really what I was looking for. You can change some colors and put a hatch pattern in. Here's transparency, header, footer. These are like the settings for the different things. Okay, so I don't really see any like actual themes or design for the pages itself. But you know what? For free, you can do most everything you can do in Office. I had a few things I couldn't find, like setting the margins and setting this to a draft page. You know what? Is that the end of the world? No, it's not that big of a deal. And I'm sure there's, you know what? Let's Google how to do that. That's a good idea. Let me just see how to set margins in LibreOffice. Writer. Let's see what it says. In menu, press Format Page, then Tab Page. That's an old version, but let's see if that works. What did it say to do? In menu, press Format Page. Okay, I don't see the table. Okay, so that didn't work. So that must be for a older version. Maybe that did that. Let's see. How to change margin. Let's look for a newer version. So this might work. This is 2019. Okay, how to change it. So here we go. Format and then page. I do not see page in here. Text, spacing, align, list. Page style, columns, image. Okay, so that, let me minimize this so I can see it at the same time. So we're obviously not seeing that. Page layout tab. Okay, let's see what this is. If you're using the latest notebook bar tab layout, maybe I am, I have no idea. Page layout tab. Format. I don't have a page layout tab either. Okay, well, there's an alternate way as well. While the document is open, open the right sidebar using Control F5. Click on the settings gear. Okay. What does it say? Control F5. Okay, Control F5. Oops. Let's try this again. I have to be in here. Control F5. No, I still don't see anything. What is this? Okay. I don't know. So I'm not sure how to do that. But okay, that's the only thing I haven't been able to figure out, so that's pretty good. Oh, it also has the slider here for zooming. That's nice where it has that. What else does it have down here? It has a little save icon, standard selection, English, default page style. Oh, here we go. Default page style. Presets, line color, padding. I guess that could be like a margin. Let's see. Organizer, page, letter. Oh, here we go. Okay, I found it under page style. This is a weird thing, but whatever. Okay, so let's say I want to do 1/2 inch margins. I could just go through and change all these. I'm glad I found it because I knew there had to be a way to do it. Okay. There we go, 1/2 inch. Let's just see. Okay. There, so now I changed my margins. Okay, feel better. I learned how to do that. So, anyways, that was my fumbling through first time using LibreOffice Writer. We figured out most of it. There's a lot more to it, obviously. Look at all this up here. I just wanted to do some basic things that I do on an everyday basis so that I could compare it to what I know Word can do. You know what? It's not terrible. It doesn't have all the glitz and glamour of Word. There's so many beautiful things you can do in Word with all the templates and the colors and the styles and but do you need that? No. This works. And for a basic word processing program, I think it's fine, and it seems to have all the main components that you need. I will be doing the LibreOffice alternative to Excel next, so that'll be interesting. I love Excel, so that one's going to be fun for me to try to figure out. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. Please click like and don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers. Anyways, thanks for listening.